Space no go dey for corruption for Edo. Obaseki na im tok dis one wen e dey inaugurate Law Reform Commission and Local Government Commission for Edo. Dis ogbonge informate so na on top Inside Edo today, as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate new Law Reform Commission and Local Government Commission for the state. Governor Obaseki tok say di government tanda on top 6-point agenda and institutional reform, as dis one na koko for im administration. And at dis one na im make Law Reform Commission make e dey ground as better work dey for dem to do. E con tok say e no make sense say e don reach 2 decades, dat na 20 years, wey Edo State don dey and e no get im own law, as e be say na bended state law na im dem still dey use. E con tell di commission say im give dem 12 months make dem take tanda Edo State law.
This government guided by a 6-point agenda, and institutional reform is a very key and pivotal agenda in our program. Our laws must be in conformity with our progressive aspirations as a party, and so the role of the Law Reform Commission is extremely important at this stage of our development process. It's surprising that almost more than 2 decades after Edo State was created, we cannot boast of a compendium of Edo laws. We're still relying mostly on the laws of the federal state. So I am giving you the task that within 12 months of your tenure in office, laws of Edo State must pass.
E tok on top the policy and work wey Edo State government don put for ground for the state for healthcare, security, education and other sectors dem. E tok say Edo State law must to show who dem be as number 1 progressive state wey dey di country on top business matter. Governor Godwin Obaseki tok on top the inauguration and swearing in of local government commission, as e tok say dis one show say dem dey put body well for grassroots government, sake of say na local government na im be the ogbonge part of state government. E tok say space no go dey for corruption matter for local government for Edo State, as e don give ICPC orders say make dem work with local government commission and Ministry of Local Government dem make state government for fit work well with revenue money wey dem dey generate. Governor Godwin Obaseki tok on top the work wey the commission go do, as e tok say wetin oyinbo dey call capacity building e go dey ground for all the local government areas dem. As e con tok say make these people wey dey the commission dem make dem use their office take serve Edo people well.
As a state, we have recorded significant policy advancements in the area of education, healthcare, security, and access to justice. These policy directions are clear departure from the past. That explains some of the difficulties some people are having in adjusting to the new direction. Our past attributes must be a reflection of how we have advanced as a people. Our laws must reflect our aspirations of being Nigeria's most progressive state, with easy access to justice, easy access to business endeavors, and easy access to social benefits. With the swearing in of members of the Local Government Commission, we are once again showing commitment towards strengthening governance at the grassroots level. That area of government is very, very critical to the success of our democracy. Because the local government is undoubtedly the most important player in the wheel of governance, and will continue to show stewardship by fighting corruption at that level. There will be zero tolerance to corruption in our local governments. I have instructed the ICCC to go into partnership with the local government service commission and the Ministry of corruption anymore. It is against this backdrop that we are swearing in of new commissioners to these two important commissions. You will carry out the mandate of driving key reforms in the areas of your assignments and will ensure that the efficiency within the institutions under this commission. One of the key emphasis of this administration is capacity building. So, particularly in the local government, we are going to be investing significant amounts in developing the capacity of our local government employees. And so, I charge all of you commissioners of the Land Reform Commission, as well as the local government commission, to use this dedicated office, which is working today, as an opportunity to serve our people to the best of our ability. We must never see public office as an occasion for oppression and self-management. Rather, you must view this as a noble assignment that will require your utmost devotion to the service of humanity.
Chairman Law Reform Commission, Charity Aigoba Esquire, he can't talk on behalf of the commission, say them salute Edo State Governor for the opportunity where he give them to take serve Edo people well. As he talk, say them for the commission, them go to under Edo State law sharp as he go help follow Edo State development matter.
On behalf of the members, my family, my friends, here present, I want to thank the governor of Edo State for this rare opportunity given me. I would say that this charge to work as chairman of the Law Reform Commission is a dream come true. But today we are given the opportunity, even as a lawyer, to design the tool of my trade. So I want to thank you, sir. And I have already shared members of the commission before we came here. We have met, and we have also resolved amongst ourselves that we are all of us.
Chairman for Local Government Commission Tom Uloko, he salutes Governor Godwin Obaseki unto the ogbonge opportunity we give them for the commission to take serve Edo people. As in talk, say them go work with Edo State government to tender public service well. Another matter, the one we concern Edo State, unto deve matter for the state.
We shall conduct the affairs of the commission professionally, in line with public service rules and principles, to achieve utmost efficiency and effectiveness of the personnel and ensure that we maintain your administration's zero tolerance for corruption. We pledge that members shall remain loyal to Your Excellency and remain focused on your vision and mission statements that is centered on reforming the landscape of Edo State, re-engineering, reinforcing and updating the existing systems and infrastructures, building new edifices and providing a healthy environment geared towards industrial growth and development of the state, and most importantly, providing opportunities for the employment of youth.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today, as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say space no go dey on top corruption matter for Edo State, and he yarn this one when he dey inaugurate Law Reform Commission and Local Government Commission for Edo State. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge informate wey dey reach una so on top inside Edo na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.